Cider has a range of image creation capabilities that can help you draw various graphics and process different types of images. It is extremely powerful, and today I will introduce its text-to-image feature. Open Cider and click on Tools at the bottom of the rightmost toolbar to enter the Tools page. Then click on Text to Image under Image Tools to access the Painter page. You can enter a text description of the image you want to generate in the input box below. Then select the model to use for image generation from the options above. You can also adjust settings such as image aspect ratio by opening the settings panel on the right. Once configured, click Generate, and Cider will create an image that matches your text description. After the image is generated, you can click on it to enlarge it and view its parameter settings on the right side.